my first teachers and my mentors, they gave me an out-of-box thinking, to
Right.
give something back to the community, to have a purpose.
When did this journey actually, took a change for you, or I would say जो एक head start होता है आपको इस corporate और entrepreneurial journey में, वो कहाँ से मिला?
I wanted to explore the corporate, so I started working for it. I got into PwC, I worked for there.
Big Fours exactly क्या है for our viewers? क्या क्या काम होते हैं इन companies में?
I'm a BTech in mechanical.
That's nowhere related to
Yeah,
the work जो इन
total.
companies में होता है.
As I entered the room, I could feel competition. सारे बच्चे metropoles, they were sitting confident, proud that they're easily able to crack the interview.
Right.
My turn was 6th for the interview. तो interviewer room में आता है. He announces my name, Akarsh. I was like, yes. तो जो अगली चीज उसने मुझे in a room full of candidates बोली, all my negative thoughts, all my tensions चली गई within just one strike.
हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू एडेक्स टॉक्स। और आज जो हमारे साथ गेस्ट हैं, आई वुड से ही इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन, और ये कॉन्वर्सेशन भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है अलॉन्ग विद बीइंग इनसाइटफुल। सो वी हैव विद अस आकर्ष शर्मा, जो कि सिर्फ 24 ईयर ओल्ड हैं और इन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में ऑलरेडी बहुत कुछ अचीव कर लिया है। 2 वेंचर्स के फाउंडर हैं ये, एक सोशल प्रोजेक्ट चलाते हैं, 22 पेटेंट्स हैं इनके नाम पे। So welcome to the podcast, Akarsh. It's great having you here with us.
Hi Barisha, thank you so much for inviting me to your podcast.
Of course, हमें वैसे ही young achievers और leaders की खोज होती है. I would say we love having these conversations with people like you. एंड आज का जो पॉडकास्ट है, वी आर गोइंग टू कवर आकर्ष की जर्नी के कैसे एक बहुत ही स्मॉल टाउन गाय जो है, उन्होंने ऐसी चीज़ें अचीव की हैं जो कि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द यंगस्टर्स के ड्रीम होते हैं, बीइंग इन कंपनीज लाइक बिग फोर्स, cracking top colleges and all the achievements that I initially mentioned. So are you ready for it? We can dive into the conversation.
Totally. Let's go ahead. Yeah.
So सबसे पहले आकर्ष, I would like to understand कि आप हिमाचल से हैं. How did that little आकर्ष envision his life being in that small town and वहाँ का environment भी, जैसे बहुत सारी MNCs या corporate culture, I would say, वो environment तो वहाँ पे नहीं होता है, right?
Yes.
But जो कुछ भी आपने achieve किया है, did that dream was there in you शुरू से ही, या फिर आपने क्या सोचा था और आपकी लाइफ उस पाथ पे कैसी रही है?
Okay, so I've been born and brought up in a very small town of Solan in Himachal Pradesh. So it's in midway between Chandigarh and Shimla.
Right.
So my first teachers and my mentors, they're the majestic mountains, the beautiful valleys and the nature. तो उन्होंने मेरे अंदर, they instilled in me the values of hard work, dedication, determination. They gave me an out-of-box thinking, to
Right.
give something back to the community, to have a purpose. So that's what I got from where I come, and this purpose that they gave me is still motivating me on my journey. So I am just exploring life and talking about the challenges that I've faced as a small towner. We have a very limited exposure to the
Right.
outside world. When we get into the metropoles, we do face some challenges, but at the end, when you've got a purpose, you don't stop. So that's how the journey has been.
आई थिंक
Yes.
वेरी ब्यूटिफुली पुट। मतलब अक्सर चैलेंजेस तो हम सोचते हैं कि आप ऐसे स्मॉल टाउन से आ रहे हो, बट उस चीज़ को जो पर्सपेक्टिव आपने दिया, दैट हाउ इट इंस्टिल दैट वैल्यू ऑफ बीइंग इन अ कम्युनिटी एंड वो नेचर को वापस देने वाला, आई थिंक that's what matters. Perspective.
Yes.
How you look at
Totally,
life and what
totally.
it has to offer to you.
Totally.
So when did this journey actually took a change for you, or I would say जो एक head start होता है आपको इस corporate और entrepreneurial journey में, वो कहाँ से मिला?
So for this, since I was really young, firstly, I was really passionate about automobiles.
Okay.
Gaadiyan amazed me. I could easily remember every car's number in my locality. So that was one passion and love I had.
Not to generalize, but I would say typical guy trait.
Yeah. So second was nature.
Right.
So I wanted to do something in automobile. I wanted to do something for the nature, right? So combining these two passions, it's one of my venture that I've started. So it's basically retrofitting. It's
Okay.
converting conventional vehicles into electric. So that's how I started. And about my patent journey, how I started with it, that too has a story behind it. So the story, it starts when I entered the university. So my house is around 4 to 5 kilometers from my university.
Okay.
तो मैं गाड़ी में जाता था. तो एक दिन while I was driving, so the wiper water of the car, right, there's a windshield, आगे से पानी आता है, it cleans the windshield,
Right.
right. तो वो पानी एक दिन खत्म हो गया. So
Okay.
eventually I had to stop, I had to get out of the car, I had to wipe the dirt off manually, right. And then I continued to the university. So the class was about innovation and how do we bring inventions to the world,
Okay.
right. तो बाकी टीचर ने जो नेक्स्ट एक फ्रेज बोली, हमें लगता है कि हाँ इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन फ्रेज, बट इट कम्स विद अ वेरी डीप मीनिंग. So that was necessity is the mother of innovation, inventions, right. तो उस वक्त तो ठीक है, उसका मतलब नहीं पता चला, पर उसके बाद when I started working for it, it basically means with needs and wants come inventions, ठीक है. and needs कहाँ से आती हैं? प्रॉब्लम से आती हैं. प्रॉब्लम उस टाइम मेरे पास थी कि ठीक है मेरे पास
गाड़ी
पानी
से
खत्म हो
निकल
गया,
के वाइपर वो विंडशील्ड क्लीन करनी थी.
विंडशील्ड लिया तो वो पानी खत्म हो चुका था. तो मुझे जो प्रिवेंट करना था कि ये बार बार पानी क्यों भरना पड़ता है. So that was the problem that I had, and I came up with a solution, and that was my first patent and my entry into the world of patents.
Okay.
So 20s, like it had all, yeah, like I'm just in my exploring phase. So I started working with the vice chancellor of the Shulini University.
Okay.
Yeah, so after I wanted to explore the corporate, so I started working for it. I got into PwC, I worked for there. But again, when you start working for the impact, you have a purpose, you don't stop. So I had to explore.
वो drive एक बार आ जाए ना, it's very difficult to get rid of it.
Totally.
And then you start looking for it in whatever you do.
Exactly. You take a lot of risks. So
Definitely.
So I left PwC. I started working on my ventures. So that has been my journey.
So now coming to your corporate aspect, you were in PwC, which is again एक ऐसी कंपनी जो कि बहुत से लोगों का ड्रीम होता है कि हमें बिग फोर्स में जाना है. I would like you to share a little bit कि बिग फोर्स exactly क्या है for our viewers, क्या क्या काम होते हैं इन कंपनीज में, and what kind of a profile a person needs, because ये कंपनीज बहुत सिलेक्टिव होती हैं अपने प्रोसेस में.
तो बिग फोर की जो बात करते हैं, बिग फोर्स डेलॉयट, PwC, EY, KPMG, ये हैं टॉप कंसल्टिंग फर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड,
Right.
जो कि अपने आप को बोलते हैं, राइट. सो द क्राइटेरिया, हाउ डू दे सिलेक्ट द कैंडिडेट्स. पहला, यू शुड बी एन MBA, that too from a top college, right. You must be a CA, or you come from a tier 1, tier 2 college
Right.
with some real great communication skills. Now talking about me, how did I crack it? So I'm a BTech in mechanical.
That's nowhere related to
Yeah,
the work जो इन कंपनीज में होता है.
Totally. It's totally out of scope. कुछ
Right.
ऐसा है ही नहीं था कि मतलब हाँ BTech mechanical. तो I applied for one of the risk consulting roles.
Okay.
So risk advisory. So again the interview started, and all the questions started from my USP. मेरा unique selling point. That was 22 patents. Just 23 years of age, you've got 22 patents. So basically that was my USP. That showed my curious, innovative nature. That showed my ability to learn.
Exactly.
That's how I cracked it. I started working for it. Though वो एक totally एक अलग domain था. एक risk advisory, एक BTech mechanical, two different. But I started learning things. I started adapting. Corporate culture, it was totally new to me
Right.
still. But I really embraced it. I really cherished those memories. Again, I had to get out of it. So that's how, yeah, the journey was. But it was really good. The learnings are immense. So for you people, आपको मैं ये बोलूँगा कि how you can crack it if you're not from any tier 1 or tier 2 colleges. पहला, get some USP. यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट. इट शुड बी समथिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जो कि सारे नहीं कर रहे हैं. गेट सम स्किल्स. ठीक है, बेशक आपके 95% नहीं है, यू शुड हैव सम स्किल कि आप इंटरव्यू में बैठे हो और आप अपने इंटरव्यू को एक अच्छी डायरेक्शन में खुद ले जा रहे हो.
Right.
यू आर हैविंग सम इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन. सेकेंड, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. अपनी अंग्रेजी टॉप क्लास कर लो. You know, you'll easily beat your ability to articulate like whatever you have in your mind. आपने जो मर्जी किया, आपने 95% लिया है, पर अगर आप उसको बता ही नहीं पाओगे कि वो 95% कैसे आया, मैंने क्या किया उसके बाद, तो it doesn't make sense. तो communication I say.
एंड आई थिंक आज की डेट में तो ये एक ऐसा स्किल है जो आपको हर इंडस्ट्री, हर डोमेन में चाहिए.
Yes.
सो दैट इज़ डेफिनेटली समथिंग जिस पे आपको बिल्ड ऑन करना चाहिए. इनफैक्ट आई रिमेंबर जब हम कॉलेज में थे ना, सो समटाइम्स वी डिड हैव पीपल यू नो जिनकी इंग्लिश में भी इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होती थी. सम ऑफ आवर जूनियर्स, सीनियर्स, एंड वी यूज टू हैव दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन के इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन दैट यू नो आपका मे बी उस लैंग्वेज पे आप उस बैकग्राउंड से नहीं हो, या आपका पास्ट स्कूल में या अंडर ग्रेड में आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं मिली, बट लुकिंग एट द वर्ल्ड, लुकिंग एट वेयर यू वॉन्ट टू गो, अगर आप अभी भी उस पर बिल्ड नहीं करते हो तो वो आपकी अपनी वीकनेस रह जाती है, फिर वो आपका बैकग्राउंड नहीं होता. जस्ट वन मोर क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस PwC थिंग. इफ यू कैन शेयर maybe you know a day in life at these companies, what it looks like.
Okay, so day in the life. So guys, not to scare you, but it totally depends from project to project,
Right.
whatever project you're in. So talking about my day in life at PwC, so yeah, 6:30 gym. I came back home, I had to cook really nutritious food. So then I left for the office around 9:30.
Okay.
9:30 to 2 office. 2 we had lunch. Lunch के बाद फिर से काम. ठीक है. 7 I used to come back home. 7 to 9 I used to again play. I'm a sports enthusiast, so like there hasn't been a single day I haven't played any sport. तो मेरा दिन कंप्लीट नहीं होता है अगर मैं खेलता नहीं हूँ कुछ, मैं कोई फिजिकल एक्टिविटी नहीं करता हूँ. तो दैट वाज द मोस्ट एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ द डे. तो 7 से 9, 7 से 10 आई यूज्ड टू प्ले. उसके बाद आई यूज्ड टू कम बैक. फिर लैपटॉप फिर से चेक करना पड़ता था, कोई मेल आई है, कोई काम बचा है पेंडिंग. फिर 10 से 11 वो चीज़, एंड अगेन देन आई यूज्ड टू स्लीप, हैव डिनर एंड स्लीप.
Okay.
So a little hectic, but yeah, it's interesting. You don't even realize.
I won't really say you know hectic in those terms जहाँ पे लोग कहते हैं कि work life balance हमारा खराब हो रहा है, because as you said that you know you were including your hobby or
Yes.
something that you love, that is playing in that, you were doing your gymming, you were cooking for yourself.
Yes.
So I think with all of that put in, it is kind of what a youngster life looks like जब आप वो growing phase में होते हो.
Exactly. But you should always know what to prioritize.
Definitely.
Right, so that's what I do. That's how I believe, you know, I keep my work-life balance in place. So otherwise, अगर मैं नहीं खेलूँ तो वो फिर अगर काम ही काम है, खेल ही खेल, तो it's not definitely a good balance.
Right. हाँ, मतलब आपको पता होना चाहिए आपके लिए क्या वर्थ है, कितना टाइम आप बाकी चीजों में निकाल सकते हो. So it could be writing for somebody, like it was playing for him.
Yes.
For somebody it could just be spending time with family. Maybe that is what freshens you up, gives you that energy booster. So yeah, that is very subjective.
Yes.
But do focus on that. And you are also working on the 100 project 100,
yes.
right?
Yes.
So what is it, and khaskar how were you able to manage it along with the full-time job and you know the studies and everything?
Okay, so project 100, it's one of the recent project that I've started where I want to speak in 100 schools pan India, spreading awareness on IPR, innovation and patents.
Okay.
The impact patents had on me, I was here, I was a small towner. The impact it took me here, and I want to share this impact. I want to share the awareness कि तुम कैसे patents के through, because when we were kids you had an idea, आपके पास एक idea था, आपको पता था उस idea के बारे में आपको करना क्या है.
नहीं.
कितने ideas आए, कितने problems आए,
Exactly.
किया आपने कुछ नहीं.
नहीं.
Right. So
आई थिंक अवेयरनेस भी नहीं थी जब हम लोग बच्चे थे कि वो आइडियाज
Yes.
वर्थ हैं, उन पे काम हो सकता है.
एग्जैक्टली. सो स्टिल अगर आप ठीक है बूढ़े लोगों से भी पूछो यंगस्टर से भी पूछो, दे डोंट हैव एन आइडिया. To nurture those ideas, I want to spread this awareness across India. I want to,
Wow.
yeah. So that's what this project is about, and the mission is to convert young ideas into patents. So as of now, I've already converted 25 plus ideas into patents.
Wow.
So
how much young kids are you taking? मतलब किस age onwards हम ये कर रहे हैं?
so it's for school, colleges, and universities. Schools 9th
Okay.
onwards.
Okay, so roughly 14-15 years
Yes.
of age के बच्चे.
Yes. Even I've spoken to 13 and 12 as
Oh
well.
wow.
Yeah, because you.
I'm sure they would have some crazy ideas.
Yeah, crazy out of the world idea, like really amazing. So like I've recently completed with my 50th session, so
Wow, that's great.
yeah, so that's what this is about. Yes.
Great. And what are your plans अब इसके बाद? Like you've already left PwC, you're working on your own ventures, but
Yes.
what next? Like do you plan on working full time अपने इन्हीं ventures को grow करवाने में, or you're looking for something else into the corporate or masters? What is it?
Okay, so the plan is firstly I'll be focusing on my startups that I've recently started. So currently it's in full power right now. So I'm just focusing on all my time on these.
Great.
Next, as I'm already into the Indian School of Business, so I plan on, because we have a real good incubator over there. And
Again,
MBA,
it's one of the top colleges when you have to do your management studies in India.
yes, so about that. And MBA, it's just not an MBA, right? It's a network. You get to interact with some of the great minds from across the globe, from across the India. You interact, you come up with solutions, problems, right, and some great ideas.
Right.
And when then that brainstorming happens, so I believe these ventures, are even going to refine themselves a lot more.
Definitely.
So that's the plan. So
So I think unintentionally, I would say you've answered one very, I would say, trending question, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इस टाइम कंटेंट में, I would say, सोशल मीडिया पे चलता है, which is MBA worth it? Should you do an MBA? Should you go for that piece of paper degree? So I think he's answered it very well, that अगर तो आप जाके सिर्फ अपनी क्लासेस अटेंड करके वो सिर्फ एक piece of paper लेने वाले हो तो शायद नहीं, it is not going to be worth it for you. But if you look at it as a platform जहाँ पे आप network कर रहे हो with global leaders, with young minds from across the world, very intellectual, very curious people, एंड आप अपनी प्रोफाइल बिल्ड कर रहे हो, आप उनके जितनी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है, जैसे ही मेंशन इंक्यूबेटर्स हैं, सो अगर आप उसका बेनिफिट ले रहे हो देन डेफिनेटली एन MBA इज़ गोइंग टू बी वर्थ फॉर यू. So again, you're into an ISB, right?
Yes.
So I'm sure your patents would have been one part which have helped you वहाँ पे पहुँचने के लिए. Again,
Yes.
ISB crack करना is not easy.
yes.
But is there any other aspect also about it which you would like to share, जिसने शायद आपको वहाँ पहुँचने में help किया, या जो हमारे students उससे थोड़ी guidance ले सकते हैं?
Okay. So firstly I'll explain like what program I am into. So there's this Young Leaders program. So this is basically a deferred program.
Yeah.
आप अपने final year में you apply and you get an admission in advance.
Right.
So only 80 people, 80 candidates from Pan India get selected into this.
Right. So I think इसमें ये होता है कि आपको मतलब you get the offer and then you have to work
Yes.
for 2 years, right?
So you have to work for next 20 months
Okay.
and then you can join the class.
Okay.
So that's how it works. So I applied in my final year. I had no work ex. ठीक है, तो interview was in Delhi.
अच्छा.
So I'll because you mentioned कि मैं कैसे patents was definitely a major aspect of how I cracked it. तो इंटरव्यू वॉज इन दिल्ली, और मी बीइंग अ स्मॉल टाउनर, मैं आज तक दिल्ली नहीं आया था. मुझे दिल्ली
अच्छा.
मैंने न्यूज़ में ही देखता था कि दिल्ली में बाढ़ आ गई है, ऐसा वैसा. तो आई रीच द वेन्यू, तो सारे कैंडिडेट्स बैठे हुए थे. तो एज आई एंटर द रूम, आई कुड फील कॉम्पिटिशन. सारे बच्चे मेट्रोपोल्स, टियर 1 टियर 2 सिटी से बैठे, और मतलब दे वर सिटिंग कॉन्फिडेंट, प्राउड दैट दे आर easily able to be crack the interview.
Right.
राइट. तो मैं बैठा, ठीक है, मैंने अपना सारा, मतलब ठीक है, आई वाज चिल बट स्टिल अ लिटिल टेंस
I
फ्रॉम द
think
इनसाइड.
anybody would get a little underconfident, or I would say again,
Yes.
maybe thoda sa maybe performance pressure you could
Yes.
say is going to be there.
Yes. My turn was 6th for the interview. तो इंटरव्यूअर रूम में आता है. He announces my name, Akarsh. I was like, yes. तो जो अगली चीज़ उसने मुझे इन अ रूम फुल ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स बोली, ऑल माई नेगेटिव थाट्स, ऑल माई टेंशंस चली गई विद इन जस्ट वन स्ट्राइक, राइट.
Okay.
तो जो अगली चीज़ उसने बोली मुझे, दैट वाज, यू आर द पेटेंट गाय.
Wow.
जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ प्राउड, हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट आई फेल्ट एट दैट टाइम.
Right.
उस टाइम मुझे पता चल गया कि आई कैन क्रैक इट. कि ठीक है, हाउएवर कॉन्फिडेंट दे आर, आई
मतलब
डोंट केयर.
इतने बच्चों में से उसे आपकी प्रोफाइल अगर याद
Yes.
है, that means it has something.
Yes, and quickly talking about the interview में क्या हुआ है, मेरी जो holistic profile थी, I was into sports, I was into service industry,
Right.
a lot of stuff I had. तो इंटरव्यूअर के पास वो टाइम ही नहीं था कि मेरे से वो बेसिक क्वेश्चंस पूछे. वो मेरी प्रोफाइल के अराउंड ही सारा इंटरव्यू रिवॉल्व होता रहा.
Right.
कि ठीक है, आप स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स की कोच है, यू हैव प्लेड फुटबॉल, यू हैव फॉट दीज मैनी पेटेंट्स क्या किए हैं, मतलब इट वाज एन इंटरेस्टिंग इंटरव्यू. सो आई बिलीव दैट गॉट मी इन टू इंडियाज नंबर 1. सो या.
Nice. So best of luck for your future plans, be it ISB or your ventures. I'm sure कि जैसे अभी तक आप एकदम इतने young होके भी इतनी unique profile carry कर रहे हो, these ventures are also going to be really really successful. And just one last thing, we want one message from you for our viewers, considering कि हमारी young audience है, maybe our age or even younger than us. So what is one thing that you'd like to tell them?
One thing I would like to tell you people, simple guys, उस चीज़ के ऊपर मत भागो जो तुम्हें कहीं से बताई जा रही हैं. ठीक है, पैसा कमा रहे हैं या मतलब डोंट रन बिहाइंड दीज. गेट अ पर्पस, स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इम्पैक्ट. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ करो जिससे तुम दुनिया में इम्पैक्ट ला पाओ. गेट एन इनोवेटिव माइंडसेट, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. दुनिया पे तो यार सारे आते हैं. अगर ठीक है कुछ नहीं दे के गए कम्युनिटी को वापस, तो
What's
I
the
believe-
point of it?
yeah, so the point is get a purpose,
Right.
start working on the impact, right?
Very true.
So that's how I believe we should conclude this. So, great.
Thank you so much. It was a lovely conversation. ये हमारा episode with the patent guy, and we'll be coming up with another video जिसमें हम specifically पूरा patents का portfolio and जो इनका project 100 है, how young children, if anybody of our viewers also wants to do that, patents क्या होते हैं, आपको कैसे अपनी प्रोफाइल में हेल्प कर सकते हैं, वो सब कवर करने वाले हैं. So make sure that you are tuned in for that episode as well. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel. आपके कोई भी और questions हैं या कोई ऐसा topics है जो आप cover करना चाहते हैं, put it in the comments, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you so much, Akarsh, for joining us.
It was a pleasure. Okay, thank you.